Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade to the Walmart Plus annual membership on the Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and upgrade to the Walmart annual membership so that you save a bit money. Maybe you know that you use Walmart. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Walmart app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Then on this page here, scroll down to where it says Walmart Plus Membership and click on the arrow icon. Next, click on Manage Membership on the top right-hand corner. Then click on Manage next to where it says Walmart Plus Plan. Next, click on Upgrade to Annual, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and upgrade to the annual membership on your Walmart Plus app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.